we're just walking. Handstand walking. Stability level, you're on your hands and feet on the floor. Start with feet apart, hands together. You're in this position here in inclined plane. You're going to alternate. Step, 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 and then reverse it. It's important to get that sequencing down because it applies to what we're going to do for strength level. Get your hands flat, arms straight. Hike the butt up, and then 1 step, 2 step, and extend. Once I got going, I use the exact same patterning. Hands together, feet apart, hands apart, feet together. Now before you go to power level, you have to learn how to kick up properly. So watch how I do this nice and controlled, and then we want you to practice the same thing. Get really good at kicking up before you actually kick all the way up. Eyes lined up with thumbs, arms straight, lifted leg is rigid, support leg slowly kicks you up. And then quietly to the wall, head goes to neutral. So from here we can apply the same rules. They're going to be a little different though. You're going to walk laterally. Work to keep those arms straight. And then when you're done, now we're going to take those same applications that we did for power level. We're going to apply it to walking on the floor. Free handstand walking. And when we're starting here, you're going to kick up and then cartwheel out like so. Hands down, arms straight, lined up with the thumbs. Kick up, step, and cartwheel out. So it's right hand, right foot. Step left hand, left foot. Get really comfortable with that. Because here at the Monkey Bar Gym, we don't want to teach rolling out of a handstand. We want to teach cartwheel out of the handstand so you never have to go to the ground. Now on handstand walking here, we're going to apply the same rules, and we're going to then just work for walking as far as we can on our hands. Arms straight, eyes lined up, rigid back leg, and then we're just walking. Walk as far as you can, and that's free handstand walking. So that covers all the bases for handstand walking.